Have you seen those wild AI videos online, like Ronaldo in a call center or Thanos shopping in India? They rack up millions of views. Here's the secret. Regular people at home are making these, not big studios. You don't need fancy skills or expensive gear, just the right AI tools and a creative idea. Anyone can jump in and go viral right now. In this guide, I'll show you how to start your own viral AI video page from scratch. I'll reveal the exact free and paid tools top creators use and the prompts that get results. Plus, I'll show you how these pages make real money, beyond boring ad revenue. Short-form video is king, and platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are desperate for new content. You don't need to hit huge follower milestones to earn, there's a smarter way. Ready to unlock the opportunity? Let's dive in. The process is simple. Generate an image, animate it, and edit it into a video. For images, use Leonardo AI. Free, easy, and powerful. Just type your idea and it creates the picture for you. Next, animate it with Luma Labs Dream Machine. Turns your image into a moving, eye-catching clip in minutes. Then edit everything together in Capcut. Add music, text, and effects all on your phone. No animation degree, no big budget, just 3 free tools. This is the same workflow used by viral accounts with millions of followers. Play around, experiment, and let your creativity lead. The tech is ready and waiting for your ideas. Start now, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's make a viral video. Thanos shopping for veggies in an Indian market. Step 1. In Leonardo AI, type a detailed prompt. Cinematic photo of Thanos in a kurta, bargaining at a crowded Indian street market, hyper-realistic, funny mood. Generate a few images until you get the perfect one. Step 2. Upload your image to Luma Labs and hit animate. The AI adds motion. Maybe Thanos turns his head or the crowd moves. You get a mesmerizing 5-second animated clip. Step 3. Open Capcut, import your clip, and add trending music or meme sounds. Overlay text like Thanos on his day off for instant context. Add market sound effects for immersion. Trim, sync, and export in high quality. In 15 minutes, you've made a viral-ready AI video. The process is the same for any idea. Ronaldo as a pizza guy, Einstein as a DJ, just swap the prompt. Your imagination is the only limit. Try it and see what goes viral. Most think ad revenue is the only way to earn, but it's slow and unreliable. The real pros use affiliate marketing, promoting AI tools to curious viewers. Every "how did they make this" is a potential customer. Use Glitchy, an affiliate network for top AI tools. One sign up, tons of offers. Place your Glitchy link in your video description, bio, and comments. When viewers sign up for a tool, even a free trial, you earn a commission. You can start earning from day one, no huge follower count needed. Example, 5 million views, 0.1% click, 2% sign up at $20 commission, $2,000 from one video. Post daily, and the numbers add up fast. This is how the top creators make real money. Don't miss out. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Post everywhere. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. One video, 4 platforms, massive reach. Each platform has its quirks, but don't overthink it. Just be consistent. Use trending sounds on TikTok, strong titles on YouTube, and collaborate on Instagram. Post daily for maximum algorithm love and growth. Use scheduling tools or upload manually. It only takes a few minutes. Consistency is key. The more you post, the faster you grow. You have the tools, the strategy, and the monetization secret. The AI video revolution is here. Don't just watch, create. Start your page today and build your own viral empire. The next big hit could be yours.